So I'd advise our people to please comply with that speed limit.
And the arraignment of Binance Holdings Limited and one of his senior executives, Tigray Gambaryan, has been stalled at the Federal High Court sitting in Abuja. The arraignment could not go on as Mr Gambaryan was served in court with a charge by the FIRS, and Binance has not been served with a charge by the EFCC. Senior reporter on Judiciary Matters, Celestina Area, reports.
The defendants are being prosecuted by the FIRS on the 4 counts of tax evasion and the EFCC on the 5 counts of money laundering and operating specialized business without license. The day's proceedings was for arraignment. However, counsel to Mr Gambaryan drew the attention of the court to the fact that his client has not been served with the charge. In response, counsel to the FIRS told the court that service on the second defendant has been difficult as he has been in custody. The court ordered that the defendant be served in court. The prosecution also prayed the court for adjournment to enable the defendant to go through the charge and be ready to take his plea. The court adjourned to 19th April for arraignment. The EFCC on its part told the court that they have served Mr Gambaryan with their own charge and were ready for him to take his plea. Counsel to Mr Gambaryan objected to the submissions on grounds that it is a joint charge and the first defendant has not been served, and the second defendant refused to receive service on behalf of the first defendant as he is not a representative of the first defendant. Under Section 123B of Abuja, the second defendant does not qualify to receive service on behalf of Binance. Document to prove that Mr Gambaryan was appointed to receive service for Binance. On this particular issue, the court adjourned to 8 April to rule on whether the second defendant can receive service on behalf of Binance or the court can enter a plea of not guilty in the absence. In the United States of America, Binance Holdings Limited, also known as Binance, pleaded guilty to criminal charges of money laundering preferred against the company by the United States Department of Justice. The company agreed to pay the sum of $4.3 billion as settlement. Nigeria on its part asked Binance to pay the sum of $10 billion as retribution. Since Binance's operation on Nigeria in 2017, the company had over 13 million cryptocurrency holders, which is the largest in Africa, followed by Kenya, which has 4.4 million holders. Counsels in the matter declined making any comments to newsmen. The federal government also blocked other online trading platforms such as Crypto, FIRS, Coinbase, FSTM, amongst others. But the case of Binance is very peculiar, as Binance could not account for over $26 billion traded on its platform. Celestina Area, TVC News, Abuja.